Hey everybody, 8-Bit Hacker here. This is my vintage Luggable computer. Yeah, so today we're going to be taking a look at it and reviewing what we can actually do with this behemoth from 1999. Let's get right into it. So first things first, it has 256 megabytes of RAM, a Intel Pentium 2 400 MHz CPU, and a 4 megabyte graphics card on the PCI bus, and an ON64 value card in it. It's pretty much bare minimum for Windows XP, so I figured I'd install that on there. So let's fire it up. First, I'm just gonna make sure these fuckers are plugged in, because you don't want the keyboard to not work. Oh, I forgot to mention, over here we have the 5¼ inch and 3½ inch base, outfitted with a IDE CD-ROM drive and a LS120 super disk that just came with it for some reason. I don't know why they didn't mention that. I was really dumbfounded when I found that in there. Lucky find. It's dual booting Windows XP and DOS 6.22. So what we're gonna do today is just do a little hardware and software overview of what I can actually do with this machine. And then in the next episode, we're gonna upgrade it to probably 1 gigabyte of memory and a 950 megahertz CPU, if that works. Since I found literally zero information on how to do that on this board. Since this board is really jank. Let's just go Windows XP first and we'll do that. This LCD sucks ass also, it's not good. And then, there's the sound card and sound kicking in, that's great. So this is what I have currently on there. I have, we have Chameleon and network locations for transferring files. I'm sorry about my camera, that was my foot. Transferring files from my main computer over here to this computer, which works flawlessly since I have a 150 megabits per second Wi-Fi adapter hooked up to my 2 USB cards in this machine. I don't know when that's actually one, but whatever. Yeah, so this is my little folder I have for the sharing everything. Currently I have like all my ISO files from my years of collecting ISO files in this one directory. And then I have a bunch of other utilities here for disk imaging. And in the share folder, which you might see right here, is the Simpsons Hit and Run, which I have not unpacked yet. So, why don't we take a look at that? This might take a really long time. It's 1.5 gigabytes, and like this hard drive is on its last legs. It's a 10 gig, I think a WD drive, Western Digital. But I don't know if it's actually going to work, because okay, this is going to be on the main computer now. I just remembered. Whatever. Now we're gonna pop over back to my main computer, see if that's actually working. If this is not working, then I don't know what's gonna happen. It's working, so that's good, yeah. This is gonna take a long ass time, so I'm gonna spare you the time of watching that by giving you some cool overviews of my other computers I have right now. First off, down here we have my 2 main retro computer rigs and my server. This server boasts 128 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, a bunch of hard drives in a RAID array right here, and 2 Xeon CPUs. Next we have my main DOS rig, not my portable one. This has a AW32 value card in it, along with 512 megs of memory, dual boot Windows XP and DOS, same as this machine right here, and 2 floppy drives and a CD drive. It also has a Radeon, I don't fucking know, number video card, and it's my sock. Yeah, this next we have this. You might remember this from a video a long time ago. This was the same machine where we installed Windows fundamentals for legacy PCs on a 5 1/4 inch 1.58 gigabyte micropolish drive from 1989. Believe it or not, this is not the same drive, but if I go over here and grab one out of my here it is. This is the same drive that was used in the video, still works. And the funny thing is, I found the exact same drive, but with the faceplate. So that's cool. It currently has Windows 7 on it. I've been trying to make a TF2 video where I install TF2 on the worst computer of all time, aka this one right here. That'll be a force to be reckoned with. It's literally at like 1%. There's no way it's gonna finish tonight. Well, it looks like we've run into a slight problem. Yeah, I don't know what happened, and yeah, it's locked up. It's completely locked up. I don't know what to do. I'm like pressing it. Okay. Could do. Holy shit! Just end it. Make it end. Make it end. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, so change of plans. We're gonna be putting this on the hard drive first, I guess. It should work this way. Let me just try that again. Oh my god. Oh god, I need to like copy it. I need to copy it and then this is gonna take fucking forever. Okay, maybe I was wrong. It's not as bad as the first time. Right? Right? Alright, so it's the next day, and let's resume our little adventure here with the installation of Sims and Simrun. Simpsons Simrun, I'm sorry, I'm off today, so. And also, look what I found. I found this Diamond Max Store, Diamond Max Plus 8, or whatever the fuck it's called. It's a 40 gig hard drive that I'm gonna put in the next episode of the series. I could also use this WD-40 gigabyte one, but who cares? It's just a hard drive. It currently has a 10 gig hard drive in there, so I'm not sure if like it can hold all this stuff. But whatever, it's not up to me. It's up to the hard drive. Only have 3.5, or maybe like 4 gigabytes free. We'll see if I can unpack everything with enough space to spare. And let's extract it. Oh god, it's gonna be like 1.5 gigs basically. And I'll let that sit for a few minutes. I'll get back to you when it's finished. Alright, it finished. So what now? Yeah, it's done, but what? Okay, there it is. And let's see if it runs. Alright. Oh. What? Oh, that's right, I don't have a driver for my video card. That's the dumbest thing ever. Let's see what video card I have. I don't think this is gonna work, honestly, but like, why the hell am I doing this? Okay, I'm back. It turns out that this video card I have on here is a proprietary Chips and Technologies video card. So what I'm gonna do is attempt to install a driver I found off the internet. Don't know if it works or not, but let's check it out. Yes. Why is it doing that? No. Alright. Now what? Oh. Okay. I see what to do now. Okay, so I got the driver installed, but the issue still persisted. So that means we're gonna have to find a new graphics card for the machine. Either that, or we could use a spare graphics card that I have in one of these machines, put in here, and then kinda finagle it to like have two graphics cards in it. One AGP graphics card and the one that's in here now. So that's not gonna work currently. So let's see what and how good the web browsing is on this thing. Yeah, I'm okay. It takes a while to load, but whatever. I'm also planning on doing a triple boot or a quadruple boot on this machine. DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, and Linux on one of these. And we're also going to bump up the CPU also to like maybe 850 megahertz. Okay, there it is. Alright. And where to go? Let's go on YouTube real quick. Why not? Maybe it is gonna work. Let's see here if I can actually pull up my channel real quick. Alright. Just tab into that search field. Oh god, that's the most terrible thumbnail I've ever seen. 8-bit hacker. Oh god, the typing rate is ridiculous on this. It's going like one letter at a time. There I am. Let's just go on my channel real quick, see if it actually works. Oh, fingers crossed. Actually loads. Didn't like it, but sure. Let's watch it. Why'd it turn dark all of a sudden? It's gonna crap itself and die right here, watch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it working? Is it working? Doesn't seem to be liking the fact that this thing is literally running on a 400 megahertz CPU. So the flash player doesn't work. I guess that's it. That's the whole video. Just a black screen. That's kind of unfortunate. Yeah, it's... Oh, wow. It was the slowest... It was like... Alright, anyways, that's the Windows XP. Let's go back into DOS. Quick. Jesus Christ, that beep is always so loud. Alright, so as you can see, this autoexec.bat file is quite long actually. It has all the CD drives, a USB storage device driver, which I don't have configured yet because, you know, this motherboard doesn't have a USB header on it, so I couldn't really plug anything into it. And all the other stuff, cute mouse, audio till, and yeah, we're in. Let's see what we have on the drive. So yeah, this is what we have on the drive. Let's go and see the games real quick. We have a few games on here. Mario 64. It's the ported version of it. The one that I played over a year ago. It was over 2 years ago. What the heck? I made a whole video about it in 2021. So go watch that if you like Mario. Zork 1 through 3, and then there's Wolfenstein 3D, and then there's an NES emulator. Let's start at the bottom first and work way up. we have Mario on here now. This is Mario. Without sound, but like, yeah, there's delay between the camera and the screen. I was looking at the camera. Yeah, so that's Mario. We also have Wolfenstein 3D. Yeah. Let's get right into it. PC 13. It's pretty quiet, but whatever. Ow. Oh. Shit, this game's... I'm not really the best at this keyboard control mechanic, but like whatever. What was killing me? Oh, that makes a lot of sense. I didn't see that there. Alright. Yeah, I'm a worker, not a player. Alright, so the next game we have on here is Zork 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so I've played this game before. It's already a text-based adventure game. Everybody knows that. So, open mailbox. Open tear. Yeah. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna quit. Yeah, so that's Zork 1. Then we have Mario 64 for the DOS ports. This runs like really slow, so it's all files loading. It's even slower than the original video I made, but like, whatever. It's Mario. It's there. Let's see if I can like load into a game real quick. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. That is slow. There's no music also, since I don't know what's happening with it. But yeah, it's Mario on the DOS machine. Running at like 5 FPS. Alright, so I know you guys might say, oh, it's all the ultimate portable DOS machine. It's not. I was wrong about that. I installed Windows on it. And, because who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? The whole, like, yeah. It's just, it fits well with it, yeah. It works flawlessly, except when you, like, try to exit out of Windows, it just crashes for some reason. I don't know why that happens. But, like, whatever, it's still Windows. Just a little overlay for DOS, kind of. See, look, you should, like, usually quit out right here, so. Something's wrong with it. Yeah. And then just does this whenever I. Yeah, it usually gives me a memory error when I try to exit out of that, but whatever. So yeah, that's the ultimate portable DOS rig. More videos are gonna be of that very soon, including me upgrading the hard drive, the memory, the CPU, the graphics card. Maybe we'll have a bit of fun by triple booting it or quadruple booting it even once we have a chance to install the hard drive and perform all the upgrades. So yeah, thank you all guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.